Hello, everyone. Welcome to Note Kiya Jaye, the podcast designed to provide you with tools, insights, and tips that will help you optimize your life and reach your true potential. Today on the podcast, we have a special guest. She is a very service oriented person and aspires to serve as many people in as many ways possible. She was nominated for the Best Citizen Award. She has published multiple articles which discuss serious issues in society as well as entrepreneurship. She specializes in the areas of sociology, gender, environment, research methodology, and many more. Apart from her accolades, personally, she is a humble and gentle human being who I'm truly honored to call my mentor. Please give a warm welcome to Dr. Pallavi Dubey. Like, how do you feel about the introduction? I mean,
Was good.
I mean, to be honest, I was very stoked to have you here. And I personally feel that there is a lot of things in society that, a lot of people want the answer to. A lot of questions that people have. So ऐसे बहुत सारे सवाल हैं जिन लोगों को जिसके बारे में लोगों को जवाब नहीं मिलते. And I could not think of any other person other than you, the whom I can get answers from. So, first of all, I always admired your sense of service, and I want to know how did you find your passion and love for service?
Thank you so much, Dwij, for inviting me here and talking about me in such a nice way about my introduction. Uh, Basically, uh, talking about my passion of helping people, it's like we all have so many things moving. Like, for example, I don't know, maybe a person is smiling, but maybe a lot of things are going on in his mind. सो दूसरे से बात करना, दूसरे से हेल्प करना, हाउ डज इट मेक्स अ डिफरेंस, एंड इट इज लाइक आई हैव बीन सोशलाइज्ड इन अ वे, तो शायद
So it's
नेचुरल है.
practically like your second nature.
Yes, that's my second nature, and maybe I got this from my mother.
Wow. I mean, to be honest, I always felt that there's a lot of things that are carried over from people in your life.
Hmm.
So ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं हमारी लाइफ में जो हमको इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं,
Hmm.
बट वी डू नॉट रिकग्नाइज के कौन से स्किल्स हैं जो हमने पिकअप किया और कौन से ऐसे स्किल्स हैं विच आर एक्चुअली पार्ट ऑफ our own life, right? What we have picked up. So now at the end of the day, what happens is that people are unable to differentiate between what they are and what they learn from society. So I would like to ask you something, that how would you suggest that people can go about the track of identifying oneself? Because society has always clouded people's judgment in a way that वो पहचान नहीं पाते कि वो कौन है. Identity crisis and existential crisis very common in the millennials. So how do you suggest people take the path of self-awareness?
See, the problem with this is that we are so much into society. See, I am a sociologist and I look everything from a society's perspective, right? But I should never forget the fact that how an individual and a society both are connected. But at the same time, if I say I am as Dr. Pallavi Dubey, right? But I have my own likings, I have my own dislikings. But when it comes to the society is always connected to family, with marriage, with kinship, and with with a lot of things. You can say culture is the base, right? Where you have certain values, certain norms, certain traditions to be followed, right? So when you talk about an individual, and here is the way where the conflict between the individual and the society happens,
Yeah.
right? And when people start questioning themselves that why am I existing, or why there are problems, or even if you take the current situation, that is COVID-19 situation, the
Yeah.
things what are moving, right? You
Mhm.
see Sushant Singh's case, that is how the suicide thing happened,
Very
and
true.
one of the Marathi actor, that is Samir.
It's almost like the Japanese concept of three faces,
Exactly.
or like the Russian doll experiment.
Now,
So,
I will
yeah.
not expect my students to behave with me as I used to behave with my teachers.
Exactly.
Okay, so this is how the society is changing,
Yeah.
and we also need to change, but not with the outer looks, but again with the rules and regulations that we call as norms,
Yeah.
with the values,
Mhm.
right? So values also differs from individual to individual,
Yeah.
right? And what is good, what is bad, according to me, a thing can be good, but for you it can be bad.
Exactly. So
Okay,
it's all about personal perspective.
Exactly.
And I personally feel at the end of the day, it's about the conflict between the three sides that a person has. So everybody has three sides. One that they show to the people close to them, one that they display to society, and one that is reserved all by to themselves. So when I feel that if one part of it, any one of these gets corrupted, that will bleed into other parts of their life. So what happens is that if somebody develops a bad habit, perhaps some sort of lying, maybe they're lying about something to their parents. Now that part will bleed into their professional life, it will bleed into their other relationships, it will also lead to the person lying to themselves. So coming to that point, what do you think is the mistake that most people make when they think of society? I mean, there is a lot of people who are trying to get in touch with other people. In current times, people are bored in their house. They do not have enough time to talk to other people. And plus, COVID has actually changed the cultural scape in a way that people are realizing that self love is important, but at the same time, they have this need for social connections. So because of this, I believe there's two sides, and I would like to know what's your take on it. Because first side being that people believe that knowing yourself is better, but at the same time, the second part is that they're losing their social communication skills. So what do you think this current situation will bring change in the upcoming years?
See, nothing is going to change. What do you think, that you don't know yourself? So it's like, it's just because I am in the house and I feel that, let me connect with myself. So it's never like that. I can just tell you that because we all are in the home, we don't have any other option, right?
Exactly.
We are very selfish people.
True.
Right?
True.
And in sociological terms, we call it as human beings are selfish animals, right?
That's very
And
true.
because we are left in the house,
Yeah.
we don't have anything else to do. तो हम क्या करते हैं? सारा दिन सोचते हैं और सिर्फ सोचते हैं.
Exactly.
And we don't think anything creative. We
True.
only think about the past things what we had done. मेरे साथ ऐसा हो गया, क्यों हो गया?
Which in
मेरे
a way
पैसे ज्यादा खर्च
which
हो गए.
leads to overthinking.
Yes,
Yeah.
which leads to overthink. We never go with critical thinking.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. If I have problem, अरे बाप रे, मेरे पास ऐसी problem है. But we will never focus on what is the solution to it.
True.
Right? Problem है, ठीक है, बट उसको सॉल्व कैसे करना है? इन टूडेज टाइम वी से दैट आजकल के यंग जनरेशन की प्रॉब्लम है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट यंग जनरेशन की प्रॉब्लम है, और इट्स नॉट एट ऑल अबाउट कोविड का प्रॉब्लम है. इट्स अगेन, इफ आई टेक अ सिंपल एग्जांपल ऑफ सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, राइट, व्हिच इज सेड कि लोगों से डिस्टेंस बना के रखो. एंड देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ जोक्स व्हिच आर सर्कुलेटेड दैट अगर कोई तुम्हारे बाजू में बैठा है और तुम्हें पसंद नहीं है तो छींक दो, दूर चला जाएगा. Right, so these are few jokes which we crack.
True.
But again, when you talk about keeping yourself and talking to yourself, knowing yourself better, we all know ourselves very much. मुझे पता है मैं कब झूठ बोलूंगी, मुझे पता है मैं कब सच बोलूंगी.
True.
Right, मैं कब खुश होती हूँ, मैं कब दुखी होती हूँ. I know each and everything, right? It's not about 40 days being in home or 50 days being in home that is going to tell you something new.
Yeah.
Right? But again, you can connect to yourself. And your second point was regarding
Communication.
Right? Why do we communicate?
It's perhaps to share ideas and thoughts with people.
Just to share ideas. So we communicate with our parents a lot, right? We communicate with our friends a lot, but it's not like we are always connected to them.
True.
Right? Communication and connection has a
two
lot of
different
difference.
things. Yeah.
And when you talk about like nowadays, what I have observed, in my days it was Orkut when we used to operate.
True.
Right? And today when I see a lot of things are there, like Facebook is there, Instagram is there, LinkedIn is there, and so many other things. I guess dating applications are also available. हमको क्या जरूरत है इन सारी चीजों की?
I mean, connecting to this point, one thing that actually surprises me that we never actually needed social distancing. I crack this a lot with my friends and we are always laughing about it. And as psychologist, I find it as a fact that लोगों में पहले ही internet and media की वजह से there was a lot of distance already. This lockdown just made them realize that this distance exists.
Hmm.
The distance should not be physical. The social distancing that we are fighting right now is emotional.
Hmm.
There is a lot of distance between people's emotions, their own emotions, and other people that they are in touch with.
Okay.
And that becomes a very major aspect of a person's life, because when you are unable to recognize and reciprocate with other person's emotions,
Hmm.
it affects you,
Hmm.
and it will cause you to sink down to a place where you don't feel like yourself. What do you feel about that?
I feel that we always have to think from some other perspective. Like, for
Mhm.
example, I have a small story to share that
Yeah.
is, we all are grown up with the rabbit and the tortoise story,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
That is like how the rabbit thinks of competing with the tortoise and he sleeps, and then how the tortoise wins.
Yeah.
राइट तो हम इसी स्टोरी के साथ बड़े हुए हैं, हमने इसके आगे कुछ सोचा.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
वी ऑलवेज से स्लो एंड स्टेडी विंस द रेस.
Yeah.
Right, and that is how, when you talk about today's current situation, when you talk about individual being part of the society, I have some other angle to this story.
Yeah.
Right, so even why tortoise won, again he also knew that he is not going to win,
Yeah.
because he was overconfident. He thought
Won.
and
Yeah.
overthought the things, and that is how he took the things granted.
Practically what
Ha.
people are doing right now. They are overthinking and they are preparing to
Exactly.
lose.
I will tell you honestly, I am taking sessions for critical thinking, and where my students,
Mhm.
I see a majority of them are in like either they are in depression or they will go in depression,
Okay.
right? Because they are now with their parents.
And they hate it.
No, they're not actually hating it, but again, they don't have any other work
Okay.
apart from this, right?
Uh-huh.
So it's like कभी parents के साथ वो connection बना ही नहीं.
बिल्कुल. True,
Right.
true.
And I will tell you, when I was in lockdown and I was not getting a chance of going to my mother's place,
Yeah.
right? That was a problem, I can say, for me. And I was finding out solutions,
Yeah.
right? But for those 40 days, it was a problem for me कि मैं मेरी mother से नहीं मिल पा रही हूँ.
True.
ठीक है. लेकिन आज के बच्चों को जब मैं देखती हूँ, एंड कोविड सिचुएशन, इट्स सो नाइस दैट यू गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू बी विद योर पेरेंट्स, टू शेयर योर इमोशंस, टू टॉक टू देम. हमारे पास कितनी चीजें होती हैं जो हम उनसे डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. सी, आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड, आई एम गोइंग थ्रू, आई हैव लॉस्ट माय मदर, राइट? सो इट इज लाइक thank you. But again, it's like when you talk about the current situation, you can be more closer to your family members, where
True.
you need to forget your individuality.
Yeah.
And you have to go with the flow, right? You
True.
cannot do anything for the situation. It is like this, right? Second thing, you have to always think that nothing on this earth is permanent.
True.
Right? Everything is temporary. ये भी आया है, ये भी चला जाएगा, right? And how you can live your life without things, right? अगर आपको एक आइलैंड पे छोड़ दिया जाए और आपके पास कुछ ना हो, तो कैसे सर्वाइव करोगे?
You
वो भी
actually
आना
identify yourself when you are alone.
चाहिए. Yes.
आप अकेले रहते हैं तब आपको पता चलता है that आप दूसरों से ज्यादा खुद पर निर्भर. Yeah.
खुद पे हैं आत्मनिर्भर.
आत्मनिर्भर, yeah. The current campaign.
सबके अंदर आत्मा है जिस पे हम निर्भर हैं.
बिल्कुल.
Right? So I guess I have answered to your question.
Yeah. I'm just trying to take all of that in, and there's a lot of great things that actually came out of that, and well, I'm just still trying to absorb that. To be honest, I just feel that people need to identify that they need to enjoy the small things in life. There's a very common thing that goes around WhatsApp. Every 2 days, it will just pop up on your phone, and there's a quote which says that the most important things in life aren't things. And people just toss it around very, very easily. But when it comes down to realizing the importance of things in life, it's very tough. People don't actually, pay attention to things enough. They are just always occupied in their life, their goals. And I feel that because of this pandemic, it forced them to slow down. They got irritated. But a lot of other people who actually took time, and people who were taking up courses, they were trying to call each and every relative up they're trying to get in touch with other people. Those were the people that actually decided to take a step forward in this pandemic, because they decided to step out of their comfort zone, because they were too comfortable with their busy lives. A lot of people get comfortable with their busy lives. It's the same routine that keeps going on again and again every day. So they were so comfortable with that. They were irritated yet comfortable.
Hmm.
So this gave them a break
Hmm.
and helped them understand that sometimes it's necessary to take a pause,
Hmm.
because that pause becomes a year or a place that where you can take a transition.
डोंट यू थिंक ये जबरदस्ती का ब्रेक था लोगों के लिए?
Actually, जबरदस्ती का तो था.
लोगों को चाहिए नहीं था लेकिन मिला, right?
And I think it's just me looking at the glass half full,
Hmm.
right? So optimism is something that that works two ways for me. But looking at the bright side, people got in touch with their families.
Hmm.
Personally, a lot of my friends who I haven't talked for years altogether, I was glad to see that those people called me up just to check if I was fine. Now, with that, I realized that even before I, noticed that I have been I started calling other people that I haven't been talking. So this became a chain of things that started happening around with people. So I feel that it actually teaches you that at the end of the day, you need to, get in touch with yourself, and you need to treat yourself as a human and less as a machine. Because
Okay.
work life actually, turns you into a machine. And, it just has been that way for years.
See, that's important. In your busy schedule, if your friends are calling you,
Exactly.
right? अभी तो सब फ्री हैं, तो द्विज क्या कर रहा है, पल्लवी क्या कर रही है, वो तो कॉल करेंगे,
True.
right? The busy you are and your friends are calling you,
Mhm.
that makes difference.
Facts.
अभी तो वो वेले हैं,
Well, बहुत
ठीक
well
है, तो वो कॉल करेंगे क्योंकि उनको कुछ काम चाहिए, कुछ बात
Exactly.
चाहिए करने के लिए, राइट? अगर नहीं है तो आपको कॉल कर रहे हैं, मीन्स
Hmm.
समझ लो इंटरेस्ट ओरिएंटेड बच्चे हैं.
And okay, let's go a little sidetrack. This is something that I was sharing with my friends. One of my friends, she actually went through a breakup,
Okay.
and she happens to, study arts as well. She is into liberal arts. So, although she's aware about the insights and the things she's doing wrong, she always kept asking me that, Dwij, I have a problem. I am uncomfortable. What do I do about it?
Hmm.
I was like, just deal with it.
Hmm.
Take a step forward and let things happen. Is like, how do you do that?
Hmm.
Now, the most common question that I come across is, how do I stop overthinking?
Okay.
So I have an answer, but I would like to know from you, like from a social perspective,
Hmm.
right? This is a very common phenomenon that occurs with people.
Hmm.
Like, how do you suggest people should stop overthinking?
See, overthinking is something which you cannot stop. But again, the way I am, I can tell you, I don't overthink, right?
Mhm.
The things whichever are going to happen, they are going to happen,
Yeah.
right? So better not to think about it. Thinking about present is more important, right? For example, मेरे साथ क्या होने वाला है, मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ, वो सोच के मैं अपना दिमाग अभी क्यों खराब करूं?
True.
Right? For example, as you were mentioning, one of your friend had breakup, right?
Mhm.
अभी ब्रेकअप होना तो हो गया,
हो गया. Exactly.
राइट? तो एक छोड़ो, वो बोलते हैं ना कि ट्रेन आती है तो एक आती है, दूसरी आती है, तीसरी
Exactly.
आती है. तो ब्रेकअप ऑल्सो यू टेक इन दैट पॉजिटिव स्पिरिट. ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि करते ही जाओ, बट अगेन इट्स लाइक
True,
यू कैन
true, true.
ऑलवेज टेक इट इन अ पॉजिटिव
Yeah.
स्पिरिट कि
Let it go.
समथिंग
In
बेटर
short,
इज गोइंग टू
yeah. In short,
हैपन,
let it go.
right? So something better is planned for you,
Yeah.
right? You don't know what that better is, but again it's like कुछ अच्छा होगा.
Yeah.
Maybe वो मेरे नसीब में नहीं था,
Mhm.
right? What people always say.
Yeah, people
या
try to
बोल दो तुम
justify.
उसके नसीब में नहीं थे.
Yeah, people always try to justify, and like there is one thing that I have seen across many millennials that wasn't common amongst people that came before us,
Hmm.
is that people now fall into victim mentality very easily. That जो होता है गलत होता है, मेरे साथ ही होता है.
Hmm.
That is a most common problem amongst kids these days. I was playing with my younger brother, and he was playing with his friends. वो games खेलता रहे. He is a big time gamer. He's streaming now, and he always tells me that भाइयों मेरी इससे लड़ाई हुई,
Hmm.
मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है, मेरे साथ like I asked him a very simple question, like okay तुम्हारे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? And he's like, I know, right? मेरे को भी नहीं पता है. So, how do people escape out of this victim mentality?
Victim mentality, I will not say, it's just taking sympathy.
Yeah.
What I feel, right?
True.
What my experience tells me, and कभी कभी हम भी करते हैं ऐसा
बिल्कुल.
कि हम सामने वाले को दिखाते हैं, अरे आई एम सो मच इनटू पेन, अरे मेरे पास आज बहुत काम था, अब मैं उस काम का कुछ कर नहीं सकती. समटाइम्स यू माइट हैव हर्ड अबाउट मी आल्सो सेइंग कि अरे आज मैंने बहुत काम किया है,
Exactly.
राइट. बट अगेन मे बी मेरे दिमाग में कुछ नहीं, बट आई जस्ट वांट टू टेक सिंपैथी. सो
Yeah.
आपका यू आर टेलिंग दैट योर ब्रदर सेड
Yeah.
दिस टू यू. So I don't know what age he is of, but again it's like it's just कि मेरे भैया थोड़ा मुझे attention दे दें.
Yeah.
तो we are very attention seekers.
Yeah.
ठीक है. और हम mainly we do these things कि जैसे कि you might have seen के बच्चे गिरते हैं और रोते नहीं हैं normally, लेकिन अगर हम उन्हें देख लेंगे तो वो रोना स्टार्ट कर देंगे.
Exactly. They want attention.
हाँ. So अगर हमने देख लिया है तो रोना स्टार्ट करेंगे. Otherwise they will not.
Yeah.
Okay. And mainly they have been socialized in this way. क्योंकि हम बच्चों को ये बताते हैं कि अगर आप गिर रहे हो तो रोना है, राइट. इन अ सिंपलेस्ट वे आई कैन एक्सप्लेन यू, कैन बी लड़कियों को रोना चाहिए जब उनकी शादी हो जाती है.
Yeah. The most common thing.
हाँ,
You
so
stereotype.
these are things like I can say I didn't cry when I got married, right? So as an individual, that's my perspective, how I look at things, right?
Exactly.
And when it comes to society, अरे तुम रो नहीं रही हो, ऐसा कैसे कर रही हो, तुमने बहुत बड़ा क्राइम कमिट कर दिया है.
Exactly.
right?
Like society actually expects you to act in a certain way.
True.
And like certainly it puts a lot of pressure onto people as well. But once you realize what you really want with life, or once you realize that okay, मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मुझे नहीं लगता, like we should teach kids in a way that you should not ask for things. You should try and create things for yourself.
That will be a difficult thing because we live in Indian society. And that training is very difficult.
True.
You are talking about the Western world where the children are taught in this way. But
True.
here it will be very difficult, right? And the moment हम जब बच्चे छोटे होते हैं उसी टाइम से उन्हें बोलते हैं you have to get this, you have to get that. And one more thing, like you might have watched Three Idiots,
Yeah.
right? कि हमको रिश्वत देना तो पापा ने ही सिखाया. I can say I have a lot of experience with that. Right? So मेरी mother थी, वो मुझे every time she used to say, if you get first rank, I will gift you this.
Yeah.
I will gift you that.
True.
Right? So मैं उसके लिए काम करती थी, मैं अच्छा पढ़ने के लिए काम नहीं करती थी.
Exactly.
Right? So this is how we start each and everything from our family. Right? And the way we are today, like I can say it's not you, it's your family.
It's your social circle speaking for you.
Exactly. So it's individual carrying a lot of things with himself.
Yeah.
Right. So it's like somewhere you are reflection of your family.
You know, it's just tough on people in Indian societies. I feel that when it comes down to you know teaching real values to their children, people do teach them, but they are not teaching in a way that will reciprocate with the child. I always tell this to people that we live in a world which is monkey see, monkey do. Right, which is
True.
practically how how the world works. So I always tell parents, every time I come across parents who have a young child, and they always complain about the simple fact that मेरा बच्चा अपने हाथ से phone नहीं छोड़ रहा है. Right, I always suggest this to them that what do you do all day? They'll be like, I always have work, I have to talk to people, I have to do this, I have to do that. It's like, where is your phone? They say, in my hand. It's like, he is mimicking you. And that is the thing what children do. A child at a very young age will never understand what you speak, but he will reciprocate and follow the actions you do. So I always tell people that you should lead by example and not by words. Because examples create a standard for them to follow. At the same time, they show them how to do it, because society tells you what to do, but I believe they never teach you how to do it.
Okay, I have a different perspective
Okay.
to this. It's like parents are giving mobile phones to children by themselves
Yeah.
just to keep them busy,
Yeah.
right? And then they are complaining that the child doesn't leave the phone,
Exactly.
right? तो उनको कार्टून देखने के लिए दे दिया उनको, अब वो पढ़ रहे हैं उस पे, राइट? सो नाउ पेरेंट्स आर इवन बिजी. I'll tell you, I'll share my experience. I
Okay.
have a lot of friends who have children and अभी ऑनलाइन टीचिंग बंद हो गया था,
Yeah.
राइट, फॉर स्कूल्स, राइट? एंड पेरेंट्स वर लाइक कि हमारा बच्चा पढ़ नहीं रहा है एंड हमें बहुत परेशान कर रहा है, राइट? सो दैट इज ऑल्सो अ प्रॉब्लम. जब पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर दिया तो दे आर ऑलवेज इन टू फोन, right? So we are Indians, we are normal human beings, and we will always be complaining,
Yeah.
right? So complaints will always be there, right?
I mean, we always complain about things we don't have.
Exactly.
Like if it's cold, you want heat. जब ठंडी होती है लोगों को गर्मी चाहिए, जब गर्मी है तब उनको सर्दी चाहिए, और जब बारिश है तब उनको सूखा चाहिए.
Exactly.
So practically God is sick out of people right now. And society in a way works in a judgmental standpoint to people as well, because होता क्या है that first of all people expect things that they don't really have, right? And then society is telling you to achieve things that you don't have. So one thing that I have is what I personally have against the education system right now, which I feel is very challenged about the education system, is the fact that we are not a aptitude based curriculum. We do not actually ask kids what they like or what they feel they enjoy doing. Instead, we tell them that you should study this because this will lead to some other opportunity in life. So people have stopped looking at the present and they're constantly focusing on the future, which becomes another huge problem. So, what do you think is the baseline problem with our culture that is causing these minor issues here and there that is leading to some or the other disruption in our day-to-day lives?
With education system?
Perhaps the education system, parenting, whatever you feel is the baseline issue.
See, the main problem with education is that whatever papers you are studying, see, what papers I have studied, I'm not at all using them anywhere.
Yeah.
Right? I might have studied about family, kinship, and marriage in India, but where am I applying that?
Exactly.
Right? So, a lot of cultural studies, anthropological studies, and many papers. Like one of the paper which I remember is social problems in India. Right? And it had problems like population explosion, poverty, and these are the things which I am still teaching to my students.
Yeah.
Right? There are a lot of more problems which are there. Right?
True.
And if I say education and employment mismatch is the problem.
Okay.
Right? The papers what you are studying today is not going to help you when you move out in the market.
Okay.
Right? So you need to go for an education which is providing you with a real situation what you are going to face. Right? कि market में बंदा जाएगा तो इसकी value होगी या नहीं.
Exactly.
ठीक है. और for example we have critical thinking papers, we have communication skills papers. ये तो कहीं पे भी बच्चा करने ही वाला है. राइट, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग जब वो मार्केट में जाएगा कहीं अपॉइंट होगा तो वहां उसे सोचना ही है.
एग्जैक्टली.
राइट, बट किस वे में सोचना है वो हमें बताना है.
एग्जैक्टली. ट्रू.
द वे यू कैन बी मोर क्रिएटिव, राइट, दैट a teacher's responsibility or the education system's responsibility.
Instead of molding them into a box, you try to take them out of the box and let them free.
Exactly. And the problem with Indian education system is that we don't focus on quality.
Yeah.
Right?
We want quantity.
Yes, we are only focused on quantity. I can say in my days when I appeared in some exam, some national level exam, it was 8% and 7% result, and now it's coming 98% result. Right? So in today's time, yes, of course, students are brilliant. I will not say they are not brilliant, but again, we cannot trust the quality which is coming out. Right? If I ask anything, right, anything related to the current situation or maybe related to any concept, they will be blank.
Yeah.
Right? So education का मतलब क्या है? Education ऐसा है कि आपको किताब देखने की जरूरत ना पड़े.
Exactly.
Right? And it should be practical based.
It's almost like the distinction between education, information, and wisdom. Like that distinction most people do not have.
What is wisdom?
Exactly. It's something attained through your experience.
Exactly.
Right.
So आप बच्चे को अकेला नहीं छोड़ेंगे तो बच्चा सीखेगा नहीं.
Exactly.
The things what we do in social work, we leave people for practical things, plus theoretical part is also important.
True.
Right? So you need those papers to be studied जहां आपको knowledge मिल रहा है कि बाहर जाके क्या करना है.
Exactly.
बच्चे को अंदर रखा हुआ है, बच्चा जो पेपर्स पढ़ रहा है, फाइन, दे आर ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग द पेपर्स विच ही इज स्टडिंग दे आर नॉट एट ऑल इम्पोर्टेंट,
Yeah.
दे आर इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट. बट वो पेपर्स वो सच्ची की लाइफ में कहाँ उसको
Exactly.
अप्लाई करेगा?
So application based learning जो है वो एक important part बन जाता है.
एग्जैक्टली.
Like this is a joke that was recently forwarded in a group which said that I studied integration in my school days, but right now nobody is asking me what is integration, and if my sasuma will ever ask me make rotis, she won't say integration wali roti banao. That was a joke that actually came across a lot of things. But that brings me to another thing that I have been thinking about a lot, and personally I feel that it is a crucial part of society right now, is the fact that how do people understand and communicate better with other people. Like, I have been absorbed by communication practically half my work life, and I feel that communication is baseline the issue that underlies everything else. So let's just say that आपकी बहुत अच्छी बनती है किसी के साथ में, and the cause is communication. If you are in good communication terms with somebody, you feel very happy, you feel good around them. But if you're on negative communication terms with somebody, you feel not at all good about them. So what do you think that what should people change about their communication habits now?
What do you mean by negative communication?
Which is backbiting. There's bitching about people. There is speaking lies behind somebody's back, or straight up being negative to somebody. Let's just say people do not understand the difference and distinction between what is being harsh to somebody and what does assertive means. Right? People often confuse the both, and they always be harsh to somebody and just tell them that I'm trying to be assertive. Right? So that is something that I believe is a negative aspect of communication.
And what is communication?
Sharing of thoughts.
Say sharing of thoughts. Okay. So it's like there should be no concept of like negative communication.
Mm-hmm.
It's just that I am communicating. This is what I am.
Mm-hmm.
And if I don't like, I will say that on your face, right?
Yeah.
But again, the way, as I said, that how the family comes into the picture and how the socialization comes into the picture, that's what I keep on saying everywhere, that socialization is very important.
Yeah.
The way you are raising your children, that is very important,
Yeah.
right? That's not related to what you have asked. I will just mention that also. Why these rape cases are happening?
Mhm.
Okay, somewhere it's again because of the socialization. Somewhere we say that लड़का रोता नहीं है और लड़की रोती है,
Mhm.
right? So कहीं ना कहीं the way we socialize our children is somewhere we need to change that,
Yeah.
right? For communication also the same thing. Now in today's time, today's generation, what we all do is that we hardly meet each other,
Hmm.
right? We are always communicating through
A device.
social media.
Yeah. Some
right?
sort of device.
फेसबुक है, मैसेंजर है, व्हाट्सएप है, लिंक्डइन है,
True.
इंस्टा है, इंस्टा मैसेजेस है,
Yeah.
राइट? So we always try to communicate with these things,
Okay.
right? So we need to think that we need to meet. In the earlier times, if you see, people used to meet each other, right? Whatever confusion, whatever negative feelings they have, they always
would
used to
display
share
it
that,
openly.
right?
Yeah.
Maybe what happens when you circulate the messages, right?
Mhm.
My perception or my perspective is different, and when I'm sending it to you, maybe your thinking is different and you take the message in a different way.
So it's all about what means something to someone will not
That will
exactly mean for somebody
exactly.
else. Okay.
Right? Because we all have different mindsets,
Yeah.
right? We all are different individuals, right?
Yeah.
And taking things like you only mentioned
Yeah.
that the glass is full of water or half
Half
the
empty.
water or
Yeah.
it's enough for my thirst. It's differ.
It
right?
differs. Yeah.
So with communication also the same thing goes.
Mhm.
Right? For me, communication can be like this.
Yeah.
For me, negative communication, as you said, backbiting.
Yeah.
Okay. This is very common.
This is very cool.
बच्चे घर में भी देखते हैं
True.
बैकबाइटिंग करते हुए पेरेंट्स को.
Yeah, people complaining about
Right.
each other at house.
Exactly.
Now, as we are approaching the end of the podcast, and this has been very insightful, it has been very, educational for me, as well as I hope for the listeners and the viewers as well. I would like to ask you some short questions that I would want prompt, single line, or one word answers to. So, first of all, what is the next big thing that you plan on studying?
I am studying already. I am pursuing my postdoctoral in exorcism and looking from an angle of sociological and psychological perspectives.
That's awesome. Now, what is the one book that you want people to read?
I would like to say that it's my book.
That's amazing.
That's on Silence is Violence. It's a
Okay.
women related book. So, why to suggest any other book than my book?
The best sort of publicity is self-publicity.
Exactly.
Now, what is one lesson that you would want to share with people and you would want them to follow
One lesson
that you have learned through experience?
through my experience. The only thing which I have learned is being positive in all the situations. It's not that my life have been bed of roses, but in every situation I always look for positivity. If it is like failing in exam or a corona situation or getting into house or not knowing cooking or any other thing or having a breakup, any situation, I just feel that positivity is the only thing which is important, and that's what I have also learned.
That's amazing. And so this will be us for this podcast. And thank you so much, ma'am, for coming here and sharing your wisdom with everybody listening. And
Thank you so much,
I'm
Dwayne.
grateful to hear from you. And stay tuned to hashtag Note Kiya Jaye. And we'll meet next time with more lessons, more people, and more guests who will share their insights. Stay in touch.
Thank you.